Design time formatting lets service administrators set up format and validation rules directly on data forms from supported Oracle Cloud EPM business processes. Define colors, number styles, fonts, and borders. All these formatting styles persist when you open a form or ad hoc grid in Smart View. This is available across Cloud EPM business processes or providers, including enterprise profitability and cost management, financial consolidation, and close, free-form, planning, and tax reporting. We'll look at how different styles appear at runtime and the order of precedence for all rules and cell styles. To get started, you'll need the latest version of Smart View installed and configured. First, I'll open this form in Smart View. Next, I'll test the runtime formatting using the Apply options on the Provider ribbon. When you select None, all styles are removed, showing only raw data. Here's the order of precedence for applying styles. First, Groovy rules, then Data Validation rules, then Smart View cell styles, then Design Time format rules, and lastly, Excel custom formatting. You may have multiple formatting rules applied to the same cell on a form, which can affect how the final formatting appears. By understanding the order of precedence, you can ensure that your most important formatting, like data validation or Groovy rules, takes priority and is displayed correctly, without being overridden by less critical styles. In this example, cell styles are applied. Styles are displayed based on the following order of precedence. First, Groovy rules, next, data validation rules, and finally, cell styles defined within Smart View. No format-only rules or custom formatting from Excel are applied. Custom Styles applies formatting rules that were defined in the Format Validation Rule Builder at design time, along with any Excel custom formatting added in Smart View. In this case, cell styles, Groovy rule formatting, and data validation rule formatting are not applied. Finally, select Custom and Cell Styles. This combines all applied rules, Groovy rules, design time rules, including both data validation and format-only rules, all cell styles, and any custom Excel formatting to the form. To disable cell styles defined in Smart View, go to Smart View Options, then Cell Styles. In Cell Styles, clear the Provider and Common checkboxes. To clear any Excel formatting associated with a form, click Clear from the Formatting group in the Provider ribbon, for example, the Planning ribbon. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.